Sukhasana, or the easy pose, is a beginner-friendly yoga pose that promotes grounding and relaxation. This pose helps lengthen the spine, bringing alignment and improving posture. Practicing Sukhasana opens the hips and stretches the knees and ankles. It aids digestion and can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and stress when practiced with deep breathing. Sukhasana encourages mindfulness and meditation due to its calming effect on the mind. Regular practice of Sukhasana can help develop a steady breathing pattern. It is a great pose for beginners as it doesn't require advanced flexibility. Sukhasana can be modified with props like blankets or cushions for added comfort and support. The easy pose can be a good starting point for those new to yoga before advancing to more challenging poses. It is commonly used as a seated position for meditation practice. This pose is ideal for reducing physical and mental tension after a long day. Sukhasana is known to calm the mind, making it beneficial for stress relief. It can be a grounding posture, connecting the practitioner with the earth's energy. Sukhasana assists in improving focus and concentration during meditation sessions. For those with tight hips, regular practice of this pose can help increase flexibility over time. This pose is suitable for all ages and levels of practitioners. Practicing Sukhasana daily can improve overall body awareness and mindfulness. It is an excellent way to begin or end a yoga session, setting a calm tone for practice.